Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a Leetcode medium question that I just solved on my own. So this is a premium pandas question, and again I solved it without any assistance, so I'm really happy about that. For some reason I feel like I'm on a roll this week. Just these pandas questions are just becoming easier and easier for some reason. I have no clue why, but yeah, maybe I'm just getting better at Leetcode, or maybe, after solving 1500 problems or close to 1500 problems, that's finally the point where things are starting to click. I don't know, but again, I'm just feel like I'm starting to solve these mediums and hards with very little effort on my own versus not the case even like a month ago. So anyways, this one's called class performance, and basically you just want to write this solution to calculate this difference. Basically you take the sum of all three and then just get the smallest and the largest. So here the largest will be 230 and the smallest will be 119. Difference is 111, so you just return that number, right? So let's just go ahead and return pd.dataframe the scores. So that's input, and then the columns, obviously there's only one column here called difference and score. So just follow the score, follow the picture, exactly as it says here in the output. So obviously that's not going to give us what we need. And okay, again, the picture, there's only one row, so .head 1, that just gives you the first row, right? So there you go. And now we actually have to calculate the value. To do that, we have to extract these three columns. So, and this is kind of the tedious part. So let's declare three arrays, because what we're going to do is we're just going to get each column and then append them to each. So first, second, third, 88, 98, 100, 60, 32, 31 for the first, 47, 95, 64, 44, 37, 53 for the second, 87 for the third. I think you get the point. So for I, A, and enumerate scores assignment 1, let's just print A to see what we need. Okay, so now again that gives you just this. So first dot append A, and then let's do the same thing for second, assignment 2, second dot append A, and then finally for third, because we're just going to have three arrays in parallel, we're just going to get the 0th index, the first index, the second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. For I, A, and enumerate scores assignment 3, third dot append A. Okay, so let's print first, second, and third. Get rid of this print statement. Cool. So now, as I said, we're just going to extract or display the first index, second index, all the way until the end at each iteration. So let's just do I equals 0, because they're obviously all going to be of the same length, because you can't have a table that's like kind of like zigzagged like that. So I 0, while I is less than length of first, because they're all the same length. Avoid the infinite loop. And so now we're just going to have to take the sum, because if you can see 88 plus 47 plus 87, so the total for the current turn, right, will just be first of I plus second of I plus third of I. So first of 0, second of 0, third of 0. And then first of 1, second of 1, third of 1. So let's just go ahead and append this to an answer list. If we print answer, now you can see that we get what we need. So now we just have to find the difference, which is going to be the maximum of answer minus the minimum of answer, right? And lastly, now you just have to set scores difference in score to be equal to the difference, because that's what you need, right? So because we only care about that one number. So yep, that's how I did it. Let's run it. and submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, really happy that I solved this one without any assistance. So maybe I'm just getting better at pandas. I don't know. So either way, thank you for watching this video. And as always, stay tuned for more.